Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à toutes et à tous.
In this video I am going to tell you when to use
Avoir.
or
Être.
in Passé Composé. The Passé Composé is formed by auxiliary verb and past participle. There are two auxiliary verbs.
Avoir et être.
Let's take an example with auxiliary verb avoir. He has eaten or he ate. Here we will use auxiliary verb avoir in present tense, which means to have and past participle. So in French it is translated as.
Il a mangé.
Another example. They played cricket. In French it is translated as.
Ils ont joué au cricket.
Here Joe is past participle. Another example. She went to the restaurant. Here we will use auxiliary verb to be in present tense, which is
être.
in French. So in French it is translated as.
Elle est allée au restaurant.
Another example. I woke up late today. So in French it is translated as.
Je me suis réveillée tard aujourd'hui.
We use être with reflexive verbs and movement verbs. Aller is a movement verb and
Se réveiller.
is reflexive verb. There are 17 movement verbs. Let's see 17 movement. They are
1. Aller. 2. Arriver. 3. Descendre. 4. Devenir. 5. Entrer. 6. Monter. 7. Mourir. 8. Naître. 9. Partir. 10. Passer. 11. Rentrer. 12. Rester. 13. Retourner. 14. Revenir. 15. Sortir. 16. Tomber. 17. Venir.
You can remember them with this acronym, DR and MRS Vandertramp. D is for
Devenir.
to become.
Je suis devenu.
R is for
Revenir.
to come back.
Je suis revenu.
M is for
Monter.
to go up.
Elle est montée.
R is for
Rentrer.
to come back in.
Je suis rentré.
S is for
Sortir.
to exit.
Je suis sorti.
V is for
Venir.
to come.
Je suis venu.
A is for
Arriver.
to arrive.
Je suis arrivé.
N is for
Naître.
to be born.
Je suis né.
D is for
Descendre.
to go down.
Je suis descendu.
E is for
Entrer.
to enter.
Je suis entré.
R is for
Retourner.
to return.
Je suis retourné.
T is for
Tomber.
to fall.
Il est tombé.
R is for
Rester.
to stay.
Je suis resté.
A is for
Aller.
to go.
Je suis allé.
M is for
Mourir.
to die.
Elle est morte.
P is for.
Partir. Je suis parti.
And also P is for.
Passer.
To pass.
Je suis passé.
When we use auxiliary verb être, the past participle agrees in number and gender. For example, she went to the beach.
Elle est allée à la plage.
Now let's see reflexive verbs. The reflexive verbs are those verbs which has direct object and the direct object is same as the subject. For example, I brushed myself.
Je me suis brossé.
So we use avoir when verb is followed by direct object. Let's take an example. She brushed her cat. In French it is translated as
Elle a brossé son chat.
we used avoir because
Son chat.
is direct object. Another example. I took out the trash. In French it is translated as
J'ai sorti les poubelles. Les poubelles.
is direct object. So when there is direct object after verb we use avoir. In reflexive verbs past participle agrees in gender and number with the subject but it does not agree with the subject if the verb is followed by a direct object which is different from the subject. For example, she brushed her teeth. So in French it is translated as
Elle s'est brossé les dents. Les dents.
is direct object and it is different from the subject. Hope you have understood it clearly.
À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.